Hi there. I am going to show you how to create this. This is a piece of drawing paper with 4 panels, 6 cells, and it'll allow you to create a value scale with 4 different um, drawing implements, techniques, etc. And so you'll be able to create something like this. Okay. There'll be a separate video that'll explain how to do that. But what we'll work on in this video is just how to create those 4 panels with the 6 cells. So you're going to need your 11 by 14 drawing paper, your 3/4 inch blue masking tape, H pencil, and then a 12-inch ruler. Oh, and also your Sharpie, right? So gather those things because you can work alongside me while I do it in the video. So first of all, what we'll do is we're going to make some marks 1/4 inch up from the edge. Make sure you do it about 2 inches in from the end because the 12-inch ruler isn't long enough to stretch all the way across the 14 inches. And then what we'll want to do is make sure that the ruler is about space center, so there's about equal amount of space on both ends. Put this edge of the ruler right up to the 1/4 inch marks. And just lightly draw a line from the 0 to the 12. So we want a 12-inch line, and it just needs to be dark enough for you to be able to see it. Now, if you have an opaque ruler, what you want to do is measure from the edge to the end of the line and make a mark down here that's the same distance from the edge, and you do the same over here to here. All right. Because my ruler is transparent, I am able to do it by eye. I can see through the ruler to see how much space there is from the edge of the ruler to the edge of the paper, and draw another light line, and I'm going to do the same over here. Alright, so what I will do now is I'm going to, I just had some tape already cut, but you'll want to place the edge of the tape that's closest to you right on that line that has been drawn. I'm going to press in the middle and then work my way out. That'll help to ensure that the paper is flat. When I'm working this way, I'll move like this. Let's see here. Now I am going to another piece of tape. We haven't marked a length here, but you want to just eye it. You want to cover about 1/4 inch just to secure the paper. I'm going to press this way and then work my way out. And I have a few pieces of tape already cut and ready to use. So on this, the edge that's closest to me, that I'm touching, I want on the drawn line. And edge closest to me of the tape, I want to be right on the drawn line. And I want to cover up any excess paper so that stays nice and clean. Some of the materials, as you know, like charcoal, can be quite messy, and if you keep that protected, once you're done with your value scale and you take the tape off, so the borders are nice and tidy. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do next is mark 2 inches from here. So 2 inches, 2 inches. And then I'm going to lay tape across. With the tape in general, if I'm trying to lay it straight, I am careful not to do this or this, and I'm exaggerating it. But you want to be pulling from the middle and pull straight out. Okay, and the edge that's, the tape that's farthest away from me is right on those 2 lines. Okay, so it's this edge is right on the 2 lines. Okay, and then I'm going to measure 2 inches again and keep doing this. The reason why I'm not doing all my marking first, 2 inches, 3/4 of an inch, 2 inches, 3/4 of an inch, and so on, is because the width of this tape, it isn't quite 3/4 of an inch. And so this is going to ensure consistency. And when you get to the very end, there is going to be a little bit of extra space, which I'll show you. It can be dealt with. You can just cover it up with a little bit of tape. Okay, and we're in that situation. We're in that place now, so mark my 2 inches. And I'll just cover that up. All right. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the ruler across here, 0 to 12, and I'm going to mark 2 inch increments. So 2, 4, 6, 8, and at 10. Do the same thing over here. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And we'll use this. Now you can decide if you want to use the fat or the skinny tip of your Sharpie, and lay your ruler on both marks at 2 inches. And just draw straight across, and then do the same at 4. Do it at 6, 8, and 10. And it doesn't really matter that if you draw on the tape, because that will eventually be removed once you're done with your value scale. All right. And now you're ready to work on your value scales with the different drawing implements that we have and processes. All right. Thank you.